We all have visitors in our garden, but which are the good bugs and which are the bad bugs? Let's ask the bug guy.
Some people would describe a good bug as those that actually help kill pests in their gardens, either by eating them or by laying eggs in them. Or a good bug is just any bug that doesn't really cause any problems, right? It's not a mosquito, it's not a plant pest, therefore it's a good bug.
So Howard, can you give us a good bug right off the top of your head?
Good bugs off the top of my head. Well, there are parasitic wasps that attack other insects. There are predatory insects like stink bugs, and yellow jackets even are considered a good bug when they feed on things that feed on our garden. Of course, there are the big showy ones, right, like praying mantises and lady beetles that we're all familiar with. In general, there's a lot of insects that act as good bugs that are what we call beneficial insects that we don't even really see. And those are small wasps that lay their eggs in the eggs of other insects, or they lay their eggs in really small larvae.
So those adorable red and black bugs, they're the good girls.
The ladybug is a predator, so both the larval stages and the adults feed on aphids and other small, soft-bodied insects. Most people recognize what the adults look like. A lot of people don't recognize what larvae or the immature stages of ladybugs look like. They tend to be soft-bodied but very fierce-looking. They're long-legged. A lot of times they're black with bright yellow, orange, or red markings on them. The kind of real long thoracic legs, maybe up to a half-inch long. They pupate and turn into the adult beetle. And they eat a lot more aphids and other pests than what the adults do.
And just like those teenagers in your house, they are hungry.
Hungry babies trying to grow up, right?
So before you spray that insecticide, make sure you look for some of the good guys and the good girls. Now you're ready to get growing.